Friends, find the domain of fx equal to whole root 2x plus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Here, fx is defined only when 2x plus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x is greater than or equal to 0. That is, the fractional polynomial is non-negative. Also, the denominator is not equal to 0. When 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then we can write 2 times of x minus of minus half is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to only minus half. And when the denominator x cube minus 3x square plus 2x is equal to 0, then we can write x times of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Or x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or 1 or 2. Now we shall use the sign scheme for the fractional polynomial 2x plus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So friends, our critical points are respectively minus half, 0, 1 and 2. So we draw a real line. This is from minus infinity to positive infinity. Here say this is minus half. This one is 0. This is 1. This one is 2. Like this. Okay. Now friends, see that the denominator cannot be equal to 0. If denominator is equal to 0, then the function is undefined. Now, when x cube minus 3x square plus 2x is equal to 0, that is the denominator is equal to 0, we get some zeros, some roots respectively 0, 1 and 2. But at these points, the function fx is not defined. So we discard these points 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. Now friends, on the right side of 2, we take positive sign. So at the critical point 2, we find that the factor is x minus 2 and its power is 1. 1 is an odd number, so we shall change the sign. So this is negative sign. At the critical point 1, the factor is x minus 1 and its power is 1. So again 1 is an odd number. For this we change the sign. This is positive sign. Next, at the point 0, that is at the critical point 0, we find that the factor is x, that is x minus 0, and its power is 1. 1 is again an odd number. So we shall change the sign. So minus. And at the point minus half, you see the factor is x minus of minus half and its power is 1. 1 is another odd number. For this, we have to change the sign again. So this is plus. So minus infinity to minus half, there is plus sign put, and minus half to 0, minus, and so on. These signs are given. Now see that the fractional polynomial, that is 2x plus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x is greater than or equal to 0. Here the inequality sign is used, greater than or equal to. So our domain will be only the positive parts in this line. So the positive parts are respectively minus infinity to minus half, union 0 to 1. This is another positive part, 0 to 1. 0 is excluded, 1 is also excluded, but in between the other points are included. Union 2 to positive infinity. 2 to positive infinity. Here also 2 is excluded. So the domain is this one. Thank you. Have a nice day.